My name is Akshit and I am a young, ambitious individual from the city of Eruvil. I am currently 16 years old and a student, with a strong desire to excel in my studies and any other endeavors I may pursue in the future. Growing up in Eruvil, a small but vibrant city in the southern part of India, I have been surrounded by a diverse and supportive community. My parents, Sudhakaran and Tanu, have played a huge role in shaping the person I am today. They have instilled in me a strong work ethic, a love for learning, and the importance of giving back to the community. From a young age, I have had a passion for science and technology, and I have always been fascinated by how things work. I have been actively involved in various science clubs and competitions in school, and I have also attended several workshops and camps to further explore my interests. These experiences have not only helped me to develop my analytical and problem-solving skills, but they have also given me the opportunity to work with other like-minded individuals and gain a deeper understanding of the world around me. In addition to my passion for science and technology, I have always been a keen sportsperson. I have been playing cricket since I was 6 years old, and I have represented my school and local cricket team in various tournaments. I have also been an active member of the athletics team, and I have competed in several track and field events. Playing sports has taught me the importance of teamwork, discipline, and perseverance, and it has also helped me to maintain a healthy balance between academics and extracurricular activities. As a student, I have always been focused on achieving academic excellence. I have consistently been among the top performers in my class, and I have also been recognized for my achievements in various academic competitions and quizzes. I am currently preparing to pursue higher education in the field of computer science, and I am confident that my hard work and dedication will enable me to achieve my goals. In addition to my academic and extracurricular pursuits, I am also actively involved in various community service activities. I have been a member of the Rotaract Club, a youth organization that focuses on providing service to the community, and I have also volunteered at various charitable organizations. I firmly believe that it is our duty to give back to the community, and I am committed to making a positive impact on the lives of others. In conclusion, I am a young individual from Eruvil, with a passion for science and technology, a love for sports, and a strong desire to achieve academic excellence. I am also actively involved in various community service activities, and I am determined to make a positive impact on the world. I am confident that my hard work, dedication, and perseverance will enable me to achieve my goals and make a meaningful difference in the lives of others.